Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. Accompanying this is a 5-speed manual transmission. This vehicle comes finished in the solid paint colour candy white. Across the front of the vehicle, we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The Transporter also features a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps. Down below, the vehicle sits on a set of 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a tailgate without a window, and helping you park and manoeuvre, there is also a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, it comes fully ply-lined as well as having multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding side load door. There's a step for easy access and a full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up front of the cab itself we'll find a twin armrest seat for the driver. Next to this we'll find a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. In the centre of the dash, in the forms of entertainment, we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system includes inbuilt navigation as well as allowing you to access all your favourite radio stations, along with the ability to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Beneath the touchscreen we'll find some of the climate controls, and the driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.